friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the best curbside deals for the week of October the 8th over at Walgreens. You're ordering this stuff through a cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, ordering this stuff, driving to the store, going to the photo counter, or calling the phone number, and they bring it to you, and that is called a curbside pickup. So some great little deals in this little video. I know a lot of you prefer to shop this way, and we're just looking at some deals valid until the 14th of October. Now, in my Sunday video, I showed a lot of toy clearance. I just want to show you a store that I went to where everything was also ringing up 90. Nothing was tagged, not a thing, and I scored big. I know with Christmas right around the corner, a lot of you are looking for cheap toys. That little doll, it looks like a Bratz, she was $2.69. The original price was $26.99. Uno Dare was, I believe, 89 cents per pack, and Sorry was $1.49 for me. So just to give you a visual, I get into it in yesterday's video showing you, like, look at all these toys. I had like a slime kit and some extra plushies and cute little things. If you want to check out that video, I'll link it at the very end. And clearance is always your mileage may vary. Not every region has the same clearance, but I do know for a fact that Texas and Utah, Michigan, those three states, most of our stuff is all on the similar clearance list. It started on Saturday, and hopefully either Saturday or Tuesday it's going to start getting marked down in your store. But if you're seeing those orange stickers, definitely go and check. You have to physically go in store. You can't do this through the online app as well. So if you're going to go pick up your curbside order, definitely walk down that toy aisle and see what you might find. Could do me a huge kindness and like this video. It would really help me out and help out the channel. And if you have not subscribed, completely free, and since we love free on this channel, just subscribe. It would really make my Monday if you could take a second, like and subscribe. Be so grateful. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, deal number one. Now, I made a YouTube short on this yesterday. These Gillette Mach 3s are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. This is kind of a goofy one because this is on a buy scenario, which is to buy two, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. When you see the word buy, you can actually roll your Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it, and this is one of the unique places where it actually works. So throwing two of these into a basket is $13.48. I know a lot of people had a $3 digital. Unfortunately, I didn't. So I don't know where mine went or if it expired or what, but I didn't have it. You'll pay that or roll $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the $3.48. And then you're going to get $10 back immediately. So that's really nice. And this is the cheapest razor in the line. That's why everyone's going after this one this week. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash. As long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster, you should be fine. I also used the code WAG10 to get an extra $1.35 off, so it made it a little cheaper, but you know, just a little deal. The next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 2, and we are going to throw in everybody's favorite 4 of these Axe body washes. So they are $5.99 a pop. I had to mix and match the different scents. I have a $5.50 off and a $7.50 off digital, so I have both of those in the basket. I also threw in this guy because I was actually short in my basket. So 79 cents for this big roll toilet paper. So looking at our thing here, $5.99 off of 2 with a $7.50. So those are the manufacturers for the Axe body wash, plus the code WAG10 for $1.13 of savings. Okay, so looking at this, guys, $24.75, WAG10 taking off $1.13, free curbside pickup, tax, $13.49, and digital's melting off for a total of $11.55. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and call this a little deal. Now, alternatively, have some sort of a digital booster like spend 20, get back 5. Pay that $11.55 with your debit card and you'll get $5 back in Walgreens cash. And I believe that Fetch Rewards also has rebates floating in and floating out for Axe. So double, triple check your Fetch Rewards account. Maybe photograph that receipt. You might get a couple extra dollars back. You never really know. But a deal, either way you look at it, 3 different ways. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 3. We are going to throw in one of these Braun face trimmers for $24.94. We have a little bit of savings right there. Now, this coupon showed up on, I think, most of our accounts. It's an only for you if you look top left-hand corner, so not everybody has it, but I think most of you probably have it. but it's attaching to this razor. So I also use the code WAG10 for $1.49 of savings. Curbside pickup is free, $10 melting off, $14.86. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the $4.86 and call this a super duper deal, especially if you need to get one of these razors, or if you're gifting every man in your family one of these for the Christmas holiday. You know, it's definitely a stock up price. I do want to tell you guys, there's a bit of a problem here with one of the online deals for the Schick. To add 15 to get $5 back in Walgreens cash. For whatever reason, even if you put an order in, a lot of people are reporting they're not getting their $5 back. So unless you want an argument with customer service, I would pass on this deal because there is some hiccups in here. I can't even get it to work. Deal number 4. For this one, we are going to grab a bunch of food. So we're going to put 2 of these snack size bags of the Reese's, and then we have these digitals to load or to add. This is an only for you, so hopefully you have it as well. 2 off of 2 for the little chocolates. It's any Hershey's as well, so if you'd want Kit Kats, go for it. And then the IVC, which is also $1 off too, so some extra savings pour vous. We are also going to throw in 4 of the Cheez-Its that are on a buy one, get one free promotion. Who does not like that? Time to stock up. And then 1 of these toilet papers to get us past that balance, because there's so much savings that it's making the math kind of impossible. So $14.77. I used the code WAG10 and then plus the IVC $2.18 coming off. Curbside pickup is free. 4 cents in tax. $2 manufacturer coming off. The new total is $10.63. You know, I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it on your account, and call this a really good deal. You get some chocolate crackers, everything perfect for a little Halloween get together or party or whatever, just extra. Okay, so the last deal that we're looking at is deal number 5. We're going to grab 3 of the Scott toilet papers for $5 a pop. And then to get us to that $10 mark after all the amazing savings, 1 of the Walgreens or 2 of the Walgreens branded single rolls of toilet paper for $1.58. We're going to load the following digital coupons that include the manufacturer, which is $1 off for the Scott toilet paper, plus the IVC, which is $1.25. This will apply to all 3, so that's a little bit of savings for you guys. So with this deal, it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing it in concert with a booster. $16.58, $4.93 in IVC Walgreens branded coupons coming off, and along with the code WAG10, so that's how I'm getting $4.93. Free curbside pickup, 70 cents in tax, the $1 for the Scott toilet paper coming off for $11.35. If you have it on your card, use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.35. Get your receipt when you're at the store. Go through a regular cash register, ask the employee you need a receipt. Then you're going to photograph your receipt to Shop Me, and you will get $1 back. Only 1 manufacturer was applied, so you should qualify for that extra $1 back. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.